Hey Anita, Akram here again. Um, I don't know, a screenshot, I can't send a screenshot to the developers. Look, if there's actually something wrong with this, please send in a video that can show them that there's actually something wrong. Like I said, we've all tested this and it's working for everyone on my team. So, for example, this one is one of the ones I tested myself. It's working. This is from my team lead, Colton. He tested it himself. It's working. This is from my team member, Aisha. This is also from my team member, Kina. This is from Guillermo. So everyone on my team has tested this and it's working for them as well. I don't know because it's working for all of us and we've all tested it. And I mean, this is another one that came in. I don't know if that's one of your own tests. It's saying boo boo post to boo boo. Maybe that's the one you did with your spouses. Then there's another one, Harry Turnham, no Harry Turnham. And just so that you know that this thing works, you can test it again and again and again and again, and it will still open up. Um, I mean, I don't know. Uh, if you want, we can test it again. So let's just go ahead and do it one more time. This is the link you sent me. So whether I take it from your page, from where you sent me, or take it from here, it's the same thing. So I'm just going to copy this link, which is exactly what your customers are, what you're giving your customers, right? So this is what you give your customers. I'm going to go up there and paste it there. I'm going to show you. Okay. So I'm going to paste it and I'm going to click on go. And again, I'm going to test it for you so that you can see. So, Vlad Putin. Not pregnant. Okay, so it's gone through again. And all I'm going to do is go back to your page, click on contacts, and it's going to show up. I'm 100% sure. See? vladsakram@gmail.com. This reading, I mean, I've tested this then like 10 or more times, which I'm sure you have as well. I don't know what your clients are doing or your client is doing, but this thing is working. I mean, I don't know. I've tested it on my phone. I've tested it on my desktop like 15 times already. I've had 5 of my teammates test this. Vlad Putin, not pregnant, Kun Jong-un. It is working, right? It is working. If it's not working for them, please have them send me a video like this. Or, I mean, you mentioned that you tried it on your spouse's phone and it didn't work. So please just try and see if you can get like a recording um, of something like this, a video of something like this, of you actually using the link, right, of the funnel. So use the link of the funnel and test it and show us exactly what's not working, because on our own side everything is working. Like I said, I've tested this thing too many times and there is no reason why this thing will not work as of now. I've checked your page over and over and over again. Like usually if there's a custom code, then that might be an issue of why this is not happening, of why it might give you that kind of issue. So if you want, you can take off this custom code and try and tell them to try it, but I don't think it would really make a difference because it's working for everybody else except your client, from what you said. So just have them maybe delete this tracking code, clear your cache and your cookies, save it, and have them try it and see. For the person who said that it's not working for them, and if they keep saying that it's not working for them, then let them just send us a video, just like I have done right now and other times as well, and let them show us that this is not working for them, so that I can actually have something to give to our developers and say, hey, this is what this person is saying. She's having this issue. I have tested it myself. It's working for me and all the other team members, but this is the video she sent me of it not working. So without that, there's really nothing I can do, because I've tested this. I've had my team lead test it himself. I've had my teammates all tested, and it's working for everybody else. So please just let me know, okay? Bye for now.